Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Pokemon Go GPS signal not found 11. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, the first method that you can do is to just go ahead and turn on then turn off the airplane mode of your device. Okay? So now once you've done that, that should refresh the GPS on your device, okay? And also, if you have an access on Wi Fi, just go ahead and try using Wi Fi, okay? So now, open settings. So I'm sorry. So here, once you've opened settings, scroll down until you find Pokemon Go. So just go ahead and click on that. And for the location, you need to make sure that you click or choose the while using the app. Now, what you need to do is if you have the cellular data option right here, you need to make sure that it is turned on. Okay? So now the next thing that you can do is to reset the location. Okay? So to do that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and wait. Find the private general. So I'm sorry. So once you find the general, you should find the reset option. Okay. So you should see it right here. So transfer or reset iPhone. So here, if you find the reset location and privacy, just go ahead and click on that option. Okay. So after you've done that, that should fix the Pokemon Go GPS signal not found. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.